Get ready to have your mind blown. From the depths of the universe to the everyday things around us, the world is full of incredible facts that will leave you amazed. Today, we're diving into some of the most fascinating, amazing and mind-blowing facts about everything. Let's go! From the tiniest creature to the tallest tree, nature is full of wonder. Let's start with the hummingbird, a marvel of the avian world. With a heart that can beat up to 1,260 times per minute, these tiny birds are the epitome of speed and endurance. Imagine that's more than 20 beats in a split second. Moving on to the world of reptiles, we meet the chameleon. Nature's master of disguise. What's fascinating is that these creatures don't just change their colors to blend in with their surroundings. They use this unique ability to communicate their moods, intentions, and even regulate their body temperature. Talk about wearing your heart on your sleeve. But let's not forget the silent giants in our midst, the trees. The tallest tree in the world is a redwood in California named Hyperion, standing a whopping 380 feet tall. That's taller than the length of a football field. Now that's a sight to behold. Did you know that the Venus flytrap, a carnivorous plant, can count? Yes, you heard it right. It uses this skill to catch its prey. When an unsuspecting insect lands on its trap, it must trigger the plant's hair twice in 20 seconds for the trap to close. Smart, isn't it? Our bodies are more incredible than we often realize. Let's take a peek at some of the wonders of the human body that make us truly extraordinary beings. First off, let's talk about our eyes. These intricate organs are marvels of evolution, capable of perceiving millions of colors and minute details. But did you know that our eyes are home to over 100 million cells that are sensitive to light? These cells, known as rods and cones, are responsible for our ability to see in varying levels of light and discern the myriad colors that make our world so vibrant. Next, let's delve into the inner workings of our digestive system. Our stomachs, in particular, are quite fascinating. Inside our stomachs is a potent cocktail of acids and enzymes designed to break down our food into usable nutrients. These stomach acids are so strong, in fact, they could dissolve a razor blade. But don't worry, our stomachs are lined with a protective layer of mucus that keeps us safe from our own digestive juices. Finally, let's turn our attention to the earliest stages of human life, the womb. It might come as a surprise, but babies begin to develop their taste buds while still in the womb. That's right, even before they take their first breath, babies are already starting to develop a sense of taste. And what's more, they can actually taste the foods their mother eats through the amniotic fluid. So if you're expecting, remember that your little one is already getting a sneak peek of your dinner. The cosmos, a vast expanse full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. As we delve into the realm of the celestial, let's begin with our neighbor, Mars. While we're accustomed to our 24-hour day, Mars marches to the beat of a slightly different drum. A day on the red planet, known as a sol, lasts for approximately 24 hours and 40 minutes. Just think of all the extra snooze time you could have with that additional 40 minutes. Now let's journey to the strange and surreal world of black holes. These cosmic phenomena are so incredibly dense that nothing, not even light, can escape their gravitational pull. If you were unfortunate enough to get sucked into a black hole, you'd experience something called spaghettification. This is where the extreme gravity stretches you into a long, thin strand, much like a piece of spaghetti. Not the most comforting of thoughts, but fascinating nonetheless. From the intimidating to the incomprehensible, let's consider the sheer number of stars that light up our universe. It's an almost unfathomable fact that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. To put that into perspective, if each grain of sand on Earth represented a star and you tried to count them, it would take you over 5,000 years to count them all. And that's if you counted one grain every second without stopping for sleep or anything else. Space, the final frontier, and the source of infinite wonder. History, a chronicle of our past, is filled with fascinating facts. Now, let's take a step back in time to the ancient world. Picture yourself in Persia, surrounded by mighty warriors. You might be surprised to learn that high heels, yes, those stylish accessories we often associate with women's fashion, were originally designed for men. Persian soldiers on horseback wore these elevated shoes to secure their feet in stirrups, providing them better stability while riding. From Persia, let's journey to the grandeur of ancient Rome. Here, gladiators were not just fierce fighters, they were celebrities in their own right. Much like today's athletes, they endorsed products and were idolized by the masses. Imagine a gladiator fresh from a victorious battle in the Colosseum, endorsing the latest brand of olive oil or a new type of sandal. It's a vivid reminder that the desire for fame and the power of endorsement are not new phenomena, but deeply rooted aspects of human culture. Now let's dive into some random facts that are just too cool to categorize. Let's start with the honey badger. This small yet ridiculously fearless creature is known to take on animals many times its size. Lions, snakes, you name it, the honey badger isn't backing down. It's the ultimate symbol of bravery in the animal kingdom. Next up is the cat, a creature with a talent for relaxation that most of us can only dream of. Cats have been known to sleep for up to 70% of their lives. Imagine that, snoozing away nearly 3/4 of your day. Talk about living the dream. Finally, let's talk about fruit. You might think you know your berries, but here's a curveball for you. Bananas, those long yellow fruits, are technically berries. Yes, you heard that right, berries. But wait, there's more. Strawberries, with berry right there in the name, aren't actually berries at all. It's a wild, mixed-up world out there. Life is full of surprises, and these facts are no exceptions. There you have it. Here are some incredible facts to make you go, whoa! Did any of these facts surprise you the most? Share your favorite facts from today's exploration in the comments. Stay curious, keep learning, and until next time, keep questioning the world around you.